Hey everyone, so currently I'm presenting game theory based power and spectrum virtualization for optimizing spectrum efficiency in mobile cloud computing wireless networks. It is written by Zhijiang and Xuan Zhu and it was published in IEEE Transaction in Cloud Computing Volume 7, October 2019. In this paper, we discuss power and spectrum virtualization techniques, particularly a game theory based approach between mobile cloud computing networks. The idea is to map virtual wireless networks onto one physical network. As these resources allocation becomes an optimization or a scheduling problem, it is critical to do it as efficiently as possible. This paper proposes game theory based techniques for the context of transmission, power, and wireless spectrum, that is the wavelength. Each mobile network becomes a player and bids for the resources and is competing with other wireless networks. The three schemes discussed in this paper are as follows: the price-based, correlation-based, and water-filling-based. In price-based strategy, the agent's requests are motivated by price per unit decided by the substrate. These requests are isolated among different resources and wireless networks. Hence, this means there is no competition between the agents. On the other hand, in correlation-based strategy, there are multiple agents requesting the same subchannel. As a benefit from price-based strategy, each channel is accessed by multiple wireless networks, hence efficient, but comes at a cost of computation power and memory. Now the third one, the water filling based strategy. In game theory, we can have mutual cooperation. In this strategy, this is what is getting leveraged among agents to jointly optimize the power and spectrum allocation. This guarantees mobile users minimum transmission rate. All these strategies guarantee to converge to a Nash equilibrium, but the water filling strategy is relatively less stable. Novelty. So this paper is again a new approach towards resource allocation, which uses a very new concepts on game theory, and also the novel approach towards implementing more than one strategy to justify the approach was is very well documented and has a rich literature with mathematically sound proofs and documentation. The consider strategies which has both independent users playing games, so also competing users. Here, users is the mobile and requesting wireless network resources. Now, this paper also designed the complete system model for all the strategies, and the explanation is very detailed for the use of payoff functions to calculate the utilities for each and every strategy, which eventually ends for a Nash equilibrium. Detailed plots for all experiments for each and every strategy is available, and it's well documented. Now, this paper is already well designed in terms of readability and complexity. Each game strategy is initially described in brief, which gives the user a perspective towards what is coming in the coming pages for them. And before applying any price and correlation or water filling strategy, the paper essentially establishes a wireless network model, which becomes a basis for all that we discuss later. The next section contains a Nash equilibrium state, which is converged via a payoff function, which is common for all the three of them. And each and every simulation results are also well documented in the paper, which is a good addition to the richness of the text. Now, scope of improvement. So in this paper, thus is able to discuss the power and spectrum virtualization, but is not able to create a foundation for further discussion, leaving the reader wanting extra information before proceeding. Hence, to improve the readability, some more context would be actually very appreciable. The paper also implements strategies for finite spectrum and power allocation, but number of channels and bandwidth is limited. Number of channels is limited to 4, and bandwidth between each spectrum is limited to only 1 kilohertz. So whatever kind of allocation we have, whatever memory resources and computation resources we need, we are actually not sure how will it scale in real world usage as the network systems and the infrastructure goes bigger. And it would be very interesting to see more than 1 gigahertz subchannels and greater operating power to see if these strategies converge in practice. Now, if we go for this schematic diagram, we can see that this is a substrate wireless network controller, and these are all our physical networks. And these wireless network 1, 2, 3, these are the virtual networks which actually request resources from this substrate. And these black dotted lines are essentially what the three strategies are all about. So thank you so much for listening to this presentation. This is Shantam Saxena, MTech AI, first year, batch of 2021. Thank you.